Hey everybody, welcome to MeatCranium Barbecue and Review. Well, for the first video I'm going to do in my new name change, I'm going to do a review. I was recently on a website called Barbecue Superstars. Most of y'all are probably familiar with Barbecue Superstars. It's a pretty big website, and on there they have the top 100. The top 100 rubs, barbecue sauces, and variances thereof. While I was on there, I just want to see where did Heaven Made Products, It's Incredible, rank on the top 100 rubs. I kept going down the list and I didn't see it. Lo and behold, at number 72 was Heaven Made Product, It's Incredible. So I just want to see exactly what is number 1 and what was number 2. Number 1 on there was SUCKLEBUSTERS. I have SUCKLEBUSTERS coming in, and I'm going to be doing a test with some SUCKLEBUSTERS later on against some It's Incredible. But number 2 on that list was this. Oakridge Bbq. Now, I'm not saying that, Oakridge Bbq isn't a good rub. I'm not saying that SUCKLEBUSTERS, well, I haven't even tried it yet. So I'm not saying SUCKLEBUSTERS is even bad rub or doesn't even constitute the number 1 spot. But this is what I am saying, is that It's Incredible definitely doesn't deserve to have that number 72 spot. It's a travesty that they ranked it down that low. I'm not sure actually who runs Barbecue Superstars. They really need to reconsider that list and putting It's Incredible by Heaven Made Products up higher on that list. And you guys that use the product know exactly what I'm talking about. And there's another rub that I like to use. It was given to me by Rusty KC. It's this right here. It's COWTOWN. It's called the Squeal. This stuff is real good. That was ranked number 29 on the list. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna do a wing test. I'm gonna do a straight up wing test, and the only thing I'm gonna put on there is some oil and some rub. It's Incredible versus Oakridge. Straight up, we're gonna do a taste test. I'm not gonna be able to get as many people as I did during my steak taste test because, well, some of them have moved away and I haven't really planned this out too far in advance. But I am gonna be cooking these wings on a Weber kettle, and we're gonna be putting the wings around. I got 24 wings. It's gonna be 12 each, and then that's it. Then gonna give it a whirl and see which one. We'll do some blind taste tests and see which one we actually like better. I'm gonna send an email, and I want to encourage everybody else out there to send an email to the Barbecue Superstars and ask them why is Heaven Made Products ranked so low. Because my personal opinion, I think that Heaven Made Products, It's Incredible, is going to beat or can beat the number 1 and number 2 spot. Easy. Let's look at the ingredients on these things. It's Incredible. Freeze-dried garlic, granulated onion, parsley, black pepper, sugar, cornstarch, modified sugar, granulated stock, and kosher salt. So kosher salt is number 9, the number 9th ingredient on here. Oakridge. Okay, the ingredients on here is garlic, ground black pepper, sea salt. Salt is the 3rd one on there. So right there already, I already like It's Incredible's mixture of ingredients, because salt, they don't concentrate really on the salt content. That's lower. If anyone's ever had It's Incredible, you all know exactly what I'm talking about. It has that nice smooth, it has kind of a sweet, and it has like an earthy, it's a beautiful balance of flavors. It is incredible. Let's get the show on the road. Let's give it a try. A couple more weeks, we're gonna put number 1, number 2 against number 72. So y'all go check out Barbecue Superstars. I'm gonna put a link for them down below. Go check them out. Send them some emails. Don't be rude. Be nice. I'm sure it might just be a big oversight. I don't know if some companies or some rubs will pay Barbecue Superstars to rank them up higher, but I think it's a travesty that Heaven Made Products, It's Incredible, is ranked number 72. That should not be. All right, so let's get started.
Story began, we're going out on our first date. You and me at Thrifty, so go all you can eat. Fill up your bag and I'll fill up a plate. Talk for hours and hours about the sweet and the sour and how your family is doing okay. Leaving, getting the taxi, then we're kissing the backseat. Tell the driver, make the radio play. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love, your love.
kind of got a late start on this cook, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna hit it with some more rub. There we go. This is the It's Incredible side. Hit this side over here with some more of the Oakridge Bbq. So it's been on here now for 30 minutes. Let's flip these things over. I'll give it about 10 more minutes. I want to start checking temperatures on it. All right, so it has gotten to be nighttime, so I had to get my lighting out. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna sear some of these off. It's been about 45 minutes, right here in the middle. All right, so it's been about 5 minutes. Let's get this off. Gotta check some temps here. Gotta put them in some foil.
Sometimes I know, sometimes I'm so home. Sometimes I know, I'm so
All right, so here we go. So over on this side, I have the It's Incredible. I'm the only one out here right now. I'm gonna go get some people. Okay, I'll just dust that lightly with some It's Incredible. Then got some Oakridge right here. Put it in this bottle here to better shake it. I'll also dust this with some Oakridge and cover these up. I'm gonna go get some people.
Develop your gifts. I grant you, you'll never ever.
All right, so here we go. Okay, so I just switched the camera around. So what was over there is now over here. What was over here is now over there. All right, so we have column A and we have column B. And I'm gonna have one person come out at a time and we're gonna do the testing. It's at nighttime, so there's some bugs flying around, but it's all right. All right, so go ahead and my first taste tester here.
Drummies for the win.
Okay.
That's real good. Alright, for expedience sake.
Now there's no right or wrong answer. You just say which one you like best. That's all you do. Pretty tough.
That is actually a really tough decision.
I am going to be moving this test to the inside. That's got a few more to do. Or how about this? How about this? Or you can't really tell a difference.
They are very close. I'm gonna have to. If I had to pick one,
Okay.
this side.
Okay. So we'll do B. Okay. Do a mark for B. Okay. There we go. Alrighty. I'm gonna go get some more people. All right. Thank you very much. I'm gonna cover it up. Go. Okay. So while I wait for somebody else to get out here. Okay. Just so you know, A is Oakridge. B is the It's Incredible. So I got I think I got my wife coming out here now. So I'm gonna be bringing this inside so my son can try it. I got a neighbor's gonna come over, but right now there's nobody out here. See, nobody around. Just waiting on a wife. Here we go. Okay, now over here we have column A, we have column B. It's just whatever one you like. There's no wrong or right answer. We're all doing the mosquito
say out
dance.
loud?
Okay, are you the only one out here?
Yes, I am the only one out
Okay,
here,
okay.
along with the mosquitoes.
Exactly. Okay. So which one do you like better? Column A or column B?
I like column B better.
Okay. However, those are both really good.
They're
Okay,
both
here.
really good, but with me saying that, I like column B tastes a lot more saltier to me than column A.
Okay. So
But they both have good taste, but
column B. Okay. All right. You can go back inside. Go.
yeah, mosquitoes.
Go. I'm gonna go get somebody else. Okay, we have our third person here to do the taste test. Now, all you gotta do is just try these, and all you gotta do, we have column A, we have column B. That's all you have to do. Try one and tell me which is the best one that you like.
Can you come around from this side?
Yeah, you can come around any side that you want to. There's no right or wrong answer. It's whatever one you prefer. It will not hurt my feelings one way or the other.
This first one here.
This first one right here?
Yeah.
Okie doke. So that's going to be column B. All right, so there we go. Column B, it's me writing down the answers. There we go. All right, thank you very much.
No problem, sir.
Appreciate it. All right, we just brought this inside. Mosquitoes were killing us out there. Okay, so now everything's swapped around now. Now we have column A, here's column B still. Now it's just swapped around. All right, here we go. All right, go ahead and take a test. This is my son.
Right, this is A.
This is A,
Okay.
this is B. There's no wrong or right answer. You just tell me which one you like the best, and that's it.
By the way, this is completely unbiased. Okay.
Okay.
And then I'll just do a drumming for B as
You
well.
do whatever you want.
I'll do the same for each one. Okay, so B has more flavor, has more salt. I like salt, so it doesn't bother me. I like just B more. Has
B?
more salt, more flavor. A just seems to have not as much salt and not as much flavor. And it seems not as, juicy
Okay.
as B.
Okay, so we're on aircraft one for column B now. All right, so that's what we got so far. All right, I'll be back. All right, so now it's time for me to try. I should move the light right here. Okay, so now it's time for me to try. Here's A. See, this is kind of, I already know what this is, so you can either count my vote or not, but I already know what's what, okay? All right, so everybody in here has eaten so far. That one I just ate was Oakridge Bbq. Very good tasting wing. I really did like that, honestly. That really was good. Now it's time for the It's Incredible. Let's give this one a roll. You know what's surprising? Everybody's been saying something about saltiness. It's got a little bit salty. It actually does. It's pretty surprising. With It's Incredible, with the salt being 9th on the ingredient list, you can actually taste the salt in there, but you can also taste, like the chicken stock and everything else that's in that rub. It's a very good, excellent rub. I actually would also go with everybody else and would also go for the It's Incredible rubbed chicken wings. But that's not saying that the Oakridge isn't extremely good in its own right. I really did like it. But I'm gonna try to get a few more people to give these a try. Some neighbors across the street. I'm gonna run some over there to them. Hopefully they're home, see what they think as well. All right, so this is actually not complete yet. And my little granddaughter likes the wing too. You like the It's Incredible wing? Aaron, do you like that? Yeah? Is that good? Is that good? You're gonna be a movie star. All right, y'all. Well, the neighbors across the street, they left. I don't know why, but they left. The overall score is 5-0 or 5.5-0 for the It's Incredible. And now I did the testing a little bit different. I had one person come out at a time. You can count my vote or not, but the Oakridge was still very good. It was actually kind of difficult to actually kind of tell the difference. But the It's Incredible actually does have a little bit more of a savory flavor, a little bit more punch than the Oakridge. So to rank It's Incredible number 72 is a complete travesty. But I do have some SUCKLEBUSTERS coming in, and we're gonna do some steaks. SUCKLEBUSTERS, Oakridge, and It's Incredible. All gonna go head to head, and hopefully I'll be able to plan this out a little bit better and have a better wide variety of people to come here again. But I managed to scrounge up 5 people very last second, so I think that's not too bad. So you can take it for what it's worth, but in this test, It's Incredible was overall winner. It was a winner chicken dinner, literally. So anyhow, thanks for joining me. I will see y'all next week. This is live. I'll see y'all next week. Thanks for joining me. Ciao.